Here is a poem composed by Rajumoni Saikia. When a poem enters. Sitting on a chair, staying alone, I was playing with some words inside the room without any care and motion. I talked with them, cried, laughed, scolded. Locked door was knocked. Little while I questioned, who are you and why in this midnight? I opened the door. A stranger was standing and questioned, for whom always you enjoy sleepless nights? Answered politely, I play with dying words and try to ensure their life. She looked at me. Without looking back, she returned to her destiny. Closing the door, I came to the chair, thought to myself, who was she? Why did she come to me and for what? Rested. I rested for a long time there. My words slept on me in that very midnight. The birds, the moon, the mangoes lying in the tree branches in daylight, the river, the sun, the poem that I recited in the poetry confluence, the claps I heard when I was praised, and so forth. In the very end of the night, the door was knocked again, with the same sounds and same wide eyes. Who? Are you the same? Silence spread it for a while. Only the moments were prevailing. I opened the door. It's me. You are now with me. A stranger entered, sat on the chair. The loving eyes are blooming in front of me. Started playing with me, with words, till the sun rises. A poem was composed and recited loudly. Oh, my heart, never try to burn anything. Give me some tolerance. Rivers, the river of humanity.